Hi guys, it's the Roblox Plays. So, what are you doing tomorrow? It's gonna be my first talking video. Obviously, I'm talking now, but we're gonna do an actual video tomorrow. Videos, things, for my birthday, I'm getting stuff, equipment for YouTube. So this is just a not rubbish thing. Can't record anything. It's bad. If you know how to fix it up, leave it in the comments. And yeah, I'm going to be starting a YouTube channel, talking a new YouTube channel, so I can start all over again with good content and good stuff. So we're going to be doing Roblox. We're going to be playing Roblox. This is going to be a Roblox channel. A Roblox channel. This is going to be, we play Roblox, we play all them games, Beast Farm, Egg Farm, all them. So that's going to be started tomorrow. Just a quick video of a thing. So if you want me to use this, comment down below and tell me how to fix the lag. And if you do, I'll add you as a friend. Yeah. So I love you guys. I've been recording for a few days now. I didn't record the other day because I just went out and I just went to somewhere, so yeah, I'm going forward. And tomorrow I might record, but if I'm not recording tomorrow, guys, it might be the day after because I'm gonna get a record set up. So I might be having a face cam. That's good because I don't know why. I will be having talking. I'll be going live every Thursday. We'll be making a new thing, a new starting new channel. So if you guys like that, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you're in the Roblox Plays forever, we'll be there forever, every day. Not every day, but some days I'll record daily, mainly daily, like say like 4 or 5 o'clock. I'll be recording. So please put the notifications on, like and subscribe. And don't forget to join the Roblox Plays. So I'll see you guys later.